Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Our lesson today is add tens and ones with regrouping. Through this lesson, we are going to learn how to add two numbers when we have more than 10 ones. That means we have to regroup. How can we do that? Let's start with the story. Abby sees 19 people flying kites. How many? 19 people flying kites. Later, she sees 3 more people flying kites. How many people are flying kites in all? What do you think, grade 1? Yes, of course, we have to add 19 plus 3 equals what? Let's model this problem using 10 base blocks. The first number is 19. How many tens rods do we need to show this number? Yes, of course, we need 1 10 rods. And how many ones do we need to show 9 ones? Yes, we need 9 ones. Here they are. In the ones place. Look at the other number. It's 3. It has 1 digit. So what do you need to add now, grade 1? Unit cubes or tens rods? Of course, unit cubes. Great job. We need 3 more unit cubes. Now, let's see again. How many tens do we have at grade 1? 1, 10. And how many ones? Let's count up them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We have 12 ones. Since we have a lot of ones, so we can regroup ones as 110. How many ones do we need to regroup or to make 110? Since this 10 has 10 ones, so we need 10 ones to make 110. Let's see how can we do that. Now, these are 10 cubes. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. 10 cubes. Let's regroup these 10 ones as 110. Now we have another 110. Interesting. Instead of 110, now we have 2 tens. We regroup 10 ones as 110. Now let's see how many ones are left. Only 2 ones. So we have now 2 ones. And how many tens do we have, grade 1? We have 2 tens. So 19 plus 3 equals 22. Great job. So 22. So when we have 10 or more than 10 ones, we can regroup. We need to regroup. We can regroup 10 ones as 110. Now let's solve another example. 13 plus 8. Let's model the first number. It's 13. How many tens rods do we need to draw to show this number? Yes, of course, we need 1 rod. So we will add 1 rod in the tens place. And how many ones do we need to add, or how many unit cubes do we need to add to show this number? Yes, we need 3 ones. 3 unit cubes. Here they are. Now let's model the second number. 8. We don't have tens. We have only ones. So we need to add 8 unit cubes. Here they are. Now let's see how many ones do we have in all. Here we have 8, 9, 10, and 11. Amazing! We have a lot of ones. We have more than 10 ones. So what do you think, grade 1? Do we need to group? Yes, of course. Since we have more than 10 ones, we need to regroup. let's write the number of ones in this space. We cannot write in the ones place 11. We cannot do that. We have to write only one digit. So we will regroup 10 tens as 110. These 8 ones, 9 and 10. Let's regroup them. No, without this one, we cannot regroup 11 ones. Look, if we do like this, we cannot regroup them as 110 because 110 need only 10 ones, not more than that. Now we have 10 ones. Yes, we can regroup using this button. Yes, 10 ones. Now we have 2 tens. Interesting. Now let's see how many ones do we have here now, grade 1? Yes, we have only one. So 1. And how many tens do we have here? Now we have 2 tens. So the sum is 21. 13 plus 8 equals 21. So interesting. Now let's solve question number 1. Here we have 15 plus 5. Let's see if we need to regroup or not. 110, and here we have 5 ones and 5 ones. 5 ones plus 5 ones equals 10 ones. So what do you think, grade 1? Do we need to regroup? Yes, of course. Since we have 10 ones, we need to regroup these 10 ones as 110. So let's circle 10 ones. We will regroup these 10 ones as 110. Just like this. So now we have 2 tens and 0 ones. Since we regroup these ones as 110, there is no more ones. So 0 ones. So 15 plus 5 equals 20. Amazing. Let's solve the question number 2. Now 19 plus 4. Here we have 110 and here we have 9 ones plus 4 ones. 9 plus 4 equals what, grade 1? Equals 13. Since we have 13 ones, more than 10 ones, do we need to regroup? Yes, of course, we need to regroup. So let's regroup these 10 ones. We will circle the 10 ones. Here we have 9 and 10. So we will regroup these 10 ones as 110. So now we have 2 tens and 3 ones. Since we regroup these ones, we will not count up them again. So 1, 2, and 3. So 23. So 19 plus 4 equals 23. Now it's your turn, grade 1. So please try to solve these questions by yourself. And then when you finish, you can check your answers here. Be careful when you circle ones. You need to regroup only 10 ones. The same to the next page, you can check your answers here. The next 2 pages are your homework, grade 1. So please try to solve them by yourself. And then when you finish, you can check your answers here. Here they are. And here you can check your answers for Check My Progress, page number 477 and page number 478. It's the end, grade 1. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.